Right, welcome everyone to the sound and vision section of the Kawasaki stand here at Motorcycle Live. Thank you for your patience, but as promised, we're now ready to take the brand new H2R through some top gear runs and also some power runs for you as well. Before we do that, we have to take the bike through a bit of a warm-up procedure. We actually only took the delivery of the bike last week and actually only had 2 kilometers on the clock, so as you can imagine, we need to be a little bit careful with that, but so far we've got up to about 11,000 RPM. The bike actually tops out at 14,000 RPM, so even after what you're about to hear today, there's still a bit more to give. So right now we'll take the bike through the warm-up procedure, like I say, which is basically just revving the bike up to get the engine to around about 75 degrees. We'll then let the heat soak through the engine, have a quick chat with my colleague Colin, and then hand over to Richard from Dynojet, who will take the bike through the runs. So like I say, the bike is incredibly loud, so even through this warm-up procedure now it is quite fearsome, so please make sure that you're wearing earplugs, and if you have any children with you, make sure they're wearing ear defenders. Thanks. Right, we'll just let the heat soak through there, and I'd just like to, in the meantime, introduce my colleague Colin McDonald, Regional Business Manager for the North. Colin, I think the question on everyone's lips is, why did Kawasaki build this bike?
Because we can. I think, in my mind, there isn't another motorcycle manufacturer in the industry right now that has the engineering expertise in-house that we do. So you've got a motorcycle designed by the motorcycle department, brand new engine, not carry over from a ZX10 with a supercharger. Brand new 998cc. You've got the gas turbine division, who came in and helped out with the production of an in-house supercharger, not outsourced. And to give you an idea of how effective the supercharger is, the impeller spins at up to 140,000 RPM at peak revs. It literally breaks the speed of sound. It's incredible. And we've also got an aerospace division. Challenge on this bike is reducing drag to allow the forward momentum, but still manage downforce to keep the front down. And literally, it is a technological tour de force.
Fantastic. And both yourself and me are two of the very few lucky people who have managed to actually ride the road-going version of this bike. Tell us a little bit about that.
It's really difficult to put into words. The sense of occasion you get when you sit on the bike before you get started. I had a little tremble in my fingers, I was trying to get my helmet on. But the sense of urgency, the acceleration, it's like no other bike I've ever experienced. It's just exhilarating.
I have to agree. Right, what I'd like to do now is hand over to Richard from Dynojet UK, who will take the bike through a few top gear runs and a few power runs as well. What you just heard sound-wise a minute ago is a fraction of what you're about to hear, so please do make sure you've got earplugs, ear defenders in for the next couple of minutes. Cheers.